Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're finally getting exhaust for the Q50. So let's jump into it. hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a full custom Catback exhaust that I got from American Mufflers. They're down in 7th Street and Jefferson, and honestly it was a pretty good deal. It was like $350 for everything, including the 4.5 inch tips at the end. It was 2.5 all the way down, pretty much straight pipe. I only have a resonator in the middle. So if you guys have seen the still-in Catback exhaust, there's a white pipe, and then it goes into one, and it's one straight pipe. Within that straight pipe, there is a resonator, and then you have the exhaust that goes into another 2 pipes. So I have AMS 3-inch downpipes, and then I have a full custom 2.5-inch exhaust. You're looking at spending over $1,200 for a full custom Catback exhaust. That being said, like HKS, still-in, and also MRBP, I think they sell one for like $900. That's a 3-inch custom exhaust, but everything was pretty much cheap. I like the way it came out. It has a deep tone to it, which is not something that you're gonna get from a lot of exhausts that you purchase online. So I'm really happy with how this came out. The only downside to it is that he had to use the existing flange, or the little bracket that goes onto the white pipe, and to the downpipe he used the one that already came on the exhaust. So that's kind of restricting a little bit of air going through. 2-inch difference almost. It's a huge difference, so I will most likely have to upgrade that in the future to a different flange. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.